All right, are you ready to embark on an incredible journey? A journey that will redefine your limits and unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. Picture yourself 90 days from now. Imagine the possibilities, the changes you can make, the goals you can achieve. Waking up lighter, full of energy, and smiling at your reflection. Feeling a sense of accomplishment and pride in the progress you've made. This isn't a fantasy, a far-off dream. It's absolutely possible for you. You have the power within you to make this a reality. Forget punishing diets, those restrictive plans that leave you feeling deprived and miserable, and endless gym sessions, hours spent on the treadmill with little to show for it. We're focusing on a transformation that feels good and natural, a sustainable approach that integrates seamlessly into your life. It's about becoming your healthiest, happiest, most confident self. Unlocking your inner potential and radiating positivity from the inside out. You might be thinking, 30 pounds in 3 months? That sounds too good to be true. That's impossible for me. You might be doubting your ability to achieve such a significant transformation. I promise, it's not. With the right approach and mindset, anything is possible. I've seen ordinary people achieve incredible results, surpassing their own expectations and transforming their lives. They were just ready for change, tired of feeling sluggish and wanting their health back. They made a conscious decision to prioritize their well-being. This journey is about progress, not perfection. It's about making consistent efforts, one step at a time. Small, smart choices every day, seemingly insignificant decisions that compound over time, add up to massive change. These small victories pave the way for a complete transformation. We'll do this together. One meal, one workout, one day at a time. Supporting each other and celebrating every milestone along the way. This isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle shift, a fundamental change in your habits and mindset that will last a lifetime. You'll learn to love food that loves you back, nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients that fuel your energy and vitality, and discover the joy of moving your body, finding activities that you genuinely enjoy and that make you feel alive. Think of this as your personal 90-day reboot, a chance to hit the reset button and start fresh, leaving behind old habits and embracing a new you. We'll ditch the junk, those processed foods that drain your energy and sabotage your health goals, and fuel up with powerful nutrition, flooding your system with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support optimal health. Short, energizing workouts, designed to maximize your results in minimal time, will replace boring, long sessions. We'll make exercise fun and effective, something you look forward to. You're about to start an adventure that will change how you look and feel, transforming you from the inside out. Take a deep breath. Inhale the possibilities, exhale the doubts. Today is day one. The next 90 days are a gift to yourself, a precious opportunity to invest in your well-being. A commitment to your health and future. A promise to prioritize your well-being and create a life you love. The path is simple and clear. Just take the first step. Don't overthink it. Just begin. Trust the process, trust yourself, and get excited. Embrace the journey with enthusiasm and anticipation. The person you'll be in 90 days will thank you for starting now. They will be grateful for the commitment you made to yourself. Let's get cooking, get moving, and smash this. Let's create delicious, healthy meals, engage in energizing workouts, and achieve incredible results. Your transformation starts today, right here, right now. Ready? Let's go. Let's begin this incredible journey together. All right, let's dive in and break it down. We're going to explore the fundamentals of weight loss in a way that's easy to understand and, more importantly, sustainable for the long term. Forget about quick fixes and fad diets. We're focusing on real, lasting change. At its core, weight loss is simple math. Create a calorie deficit. It's all about burning more calories than you consume. This doesn't mean starving yourself. It means making smart choices about what you eat and how active you are. To lose 1 pound of fat, you need a deficit of about 3,500 calories. This is a widely accepted estimate, and it's a good starting point for understanding the energy balance in your body. Think of it as an energy bank. You need to withdraw more than you deposit to see a reduction in your overall balance. So, if our goal is 30 pounds, that translates to a deficit of 105,000 calories over 90 days. That might sound like a huge number, but we're going to break it down into manageable daily targets. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If we spread that out evenly, that's about 1,167 calories per day that you would need to cut. But that's too steep a deficit for most people. It's not sustainable, and it can lead to negative side effects. Instead, we'll aim for a more manageable and realistic 750 calorie deficit daily. This is a much more gentle approach that your body will thank you for. With a 750 calorie daily deficit, that translates to about 1.5 pounds lost per week. This is a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Following this pace, you'll lose 18 pounds in 12 weeks. You'll be well on your way to achieving your goal. The rest of the weight loss comes from reduced water retention. When you start eating healthier and exercising, your body naturally sheds excess water and a boosted metabolism. Regular physical activity helps to increase your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories even when you're at rest. This approach is safe and sustainable. No crash diets here. We're building habits that will last a lifetime. Crash diets slow your metabolism and burn muscle, not fat. They can also lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. Our plan fuels your body with the nutrients it needs so it burns fat and preserves muscle. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy body composition. We're not starving ourselves. We're being smart with energy balance and making conscious food choices. We'll create the deficit by eating a bit less of the right foods, focusing on portion control and mindful eating, and moving a bit more through regular physical activity and incorporating movement into your daily routine. This combo works every time because it addresses both sides of the energy balance equation. Healthy, reliable, and puts you in control of your weight loss journey and overall well-being. You're the boss of your journey, making informed decisions and taking ownership of your health. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Small, consistent changes over time will yield far better results than sporadic bursts of extreme dieting. Stick with it, stay focused on your goals, and results will inevitably follow. So, let's get started on this exciting journey to a healthier and happier you. How do you create a calorie deficit without feeling hungry? It's easier than you think. First, find your maintenance calories using a free TD calculator. Subtract 750 from that number for your daily target. This is your nourishment budget, not a punishment. Don't obsess over hitting the number perfectly every day. The weekly average matters most. Track your food for a few days to spot hidden calories. Knowledge is power. This helps you make smarter choices. Focus on swapping, not restricting trade sugary lattes for black coffee, crisps for fruit or nuts. You'll feel satisfied and in control, not deprived. This gentle approach avoids hunger pangs and keeps you motivated. Watch the scale move as you make these small changes. It's the first crucial step. Ready to take control? Let's do it. Your journey starts with awareness. Now, let's talk food. Focus on lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Protein keeps you full and builds muscle. Think chicken, fish, eggs, lentils, and Greek yogurt. Choose complex carbs like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes for steady energy. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, salmon are essential for hormones and satisfaction. Fill your plate with real colorful foods. A typical meal. Grilled chicken, sweet potato, and a pile of green veggies. Simple, delicious, and perfectly balanced for fat loss. Eat generous, satisfying meals within your calorie target. You're fueling your body, not starving it. Enjoy every bite. Food is half the equation. Movement is the other. Exercise is a celebration of what your body can do. Our goal: burn calories and build lean muscle. More muscle means more calories burned, even at rest. Forget hours on the treadmill. Short, intense height workouts are best for fat loss. High-at bursts of effort, brief rests. Think star jumps, high knees, squats. These sessions torch calories and boost your metabolism for hours. Find activities you enjoy. No need to do exercises you hate. Aim for 3 to 4 short, intense workouts per week and stay active on other days. Make movement a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Looking for a workout that's straightforward and doesn't require a ton of fancy equipment? Here's a simple, equipment-free workout plan that's accessible for anyone, regardless of their fitness level or experience. It's designed to be easily adaptable, so you can adjust it to suit your own needs and abilities. To get the most out of this plan, aim to do 3 height sessions per week. Spacing them out evenly throughout the week works best. Monday, Wednesday, Friday works great for many people, allowing for adequate recovery time in between. Each session should be approximately 20 minutes in total, and that includes your warm-up and cool-down periods. Begin each session with a warm-up for 3 minutes. This could include light cardio like jogging on the spot, arm circles to loosen up your shoulders, and leg swings to prepare your lower body. The main circuit consists of 5 key exercises. First, we have star jumps, also known as jumping jacks. Next up are squats, a fundamental exercise for building lower body strength. Then we move into high knees, a dynamic exercise that gets your heart rate up. Following that, we have lunges, another great exercise for targeting your legs and glutes. And finally, mountain climbers, a full body exercise that also works your core. For each exercise, aim to work for 40 seconds, followed by a rest period of 20 seconds. Once you've completed all 5 exercises, repeat the entire circuit 3 times to maximize the benefits. After completing the circuit, cool down with 5 minutes of stretching. During your cool down, focus on stretching the muscles in your legs and chest, as these are heavily engaged during the workout. As you get fitter and stronger, gradually increase the work time for each exercise, or consider adding an extra round to the circuit to challenge yourself further. On your rest days, it's important to stay active and keep your body moving. Go for a walk, take a bike ride, put on some music and dance, or just find ways to move your body throughout the day. Aim to accumulate around 10,000 steps daily to promote overall health and well-being. This helps to burn extra calories without placing excessive stress on your body. Remember, every little bit of movement contributes to your overall calorie deficit, which is essential for weight management. There are no excuses. This workout plan is designed to fit into even the busiest of schedules. The key to seeing results is consistency, so stick with it and make it a regular part of your routine. Keep the workouts simple, and most importantly, keep them fun so you'll look forward to them. You've got this. Stay motivated, stay focused, and you'll achieve your fitness goals. So what are you waiting for? Let's move and get started on your fitness journey today. The real goal is lifelong habits, not just a 90-day fix. Motivation gets you started, habits keep you going. Start small, change one thing at a time, try habit stacking, link a new habit to something you already do. Example, after brushing your teeth, do your workout. Meal prepping is a game changer. Cook in batches so healthy meals are always ready. This removes temptation and makes healthy choices easy. Be patient and kind to yourself. Off days happen. One slip up isn't failure, it's just life. Don't let a bad meal or missed workout derail you. Get back on track at the next opportunity. Consistency, not perfection, is what matters. Every day is a new chance to make a good choice. Build habits that last. Your future self will thank you. Here's the science behind the plan. It's all about controlling insulin, a hormone that stores fat when you eat sugary processed foods. By eating lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, you keep blood sugar and insulin stable. Stable insulin lets your body burn fat for fuel. You'll feel more energetic and less hungry. No more sugar crashes. Height workouts deplete muscle sugar stores, making your body more sensitive to insulin. This means better blood sugar control and easier fat loss. The food lowers insulin, the workouts boost fat burning. You're not just cutting calories, you're changing your body's chemistry. That's why this works fast and lasts. It's smart, scientific, and sustainable. Tough days will come along the way. Plateaus, low motivation, or slow-scale movement can happen. Don't panic, plateaus are normal. Your body is simply adjusting. Focus on those non-scale victories. Looser clothes, more energy, better sleep. Take progress photos and measurements for added motivation. Mix things up a bit. Try new recipes, workouts, or fun activities to stay excited. Remember your why. Write it down clearly and keep it visible. When tempted, look closely at your why and stay strong. You now have the complete roadmap to lose 30 pounds in 90 days. It's simple, effective, and built on self-care. Focus on a gentle calorie deficit, great food, and fun movement. The habits you build now will last long after you hit your goal. You'll gain energy, confidence, and pride. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Picture the person you'll be in 90 days. That person is you, waiting to be unleashed. Start today. One meal, one workout, one step at a time. Celebrate every win, big or small. Be your own cheerleader. This is your time. Let's do this.